Hello. Today I'm going to speak about this. This is tabbouleh. Tabbouleh. Can you say tabbouleh? Okay. Tabbouleh. Tabbouleh. It's a salad. Salad. A salad. Okay. We're going to speak about a recipe. A recipe. Okay. A recipe for tabbouleh. A recipe is how to make, how to cook tabbouleh. Okay. What food and how to make tabbouleh. Okay. A recipe for tabbouleh. Let's look at the ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. Ingredients. Okay. Ingredients. Ingredients. Ingredients is the food that we put in tabbouleh. Okay. The food that we put in tabbouleh. So we need parsley, 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 and we need 3, 1, 2, 3 bunches of tabbouleh. A bunch, 3 bunches, okay? Bunches of parsley. We need mint. We need 1 bunch, a bunch of mint. Bulgur wheat. We need bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat, okay, bulgur wheat. This one is from Tesco, but you can buy in Asda or the Arabic shops in Glasgow. Bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat, okay. And then tomatoes. We need tomatoes, okay? Can you say tomatoes? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. And we need half a kilo, half a kilo of tomatoes. Okay, we need half a kilo of cucumber. Okay, this is cucumber. Okay, cucumber. And we need half a kilo. Half a kilo of cucumber. Half a kilo. Half a kilo. Half a kilo of onions. Okay? Onions. Half a kilo of onions. Some lemon. Okay, some lemon. A lemon is yellow. Okay, a lemon is yellow. Okay, color yellow. And we need the juice, okay? The juice, the juice, the juice, the juice of 3 lemons, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? The juice of 3 lemons. We need some olive oil, some olive oil, olive oil, olive oil. We need some salt, some salt. And what color salt? It's white, okay? We need salt is white, pepper is black. We need some salt. And we need some water. We need some water, okay? So water, water. And we need half a cup. Okay, this is a cup. We don't need a full cup. We need half a cup, half a cup, half a cup of water, half a cup. Now let's look at the method, the method. Method is how to make. How to make tabbouleh. How to make tabbouleh. Okay, how to make. What do we do? How to make. So we put the bulgur wheat, and the water in a pan. A pan. We put the bulgur wheat and the water in a pan. And we boil the water. We boil the water. Boil, okay? So the water is very hot. The water's very hot, boil, and we can see bubbles, okay? Bubbles in the water, okay? Bubbles in the water. And the water's very hot. It's very hot, okay? Very hot. We boil the water. Then we chop, okay? Like cut. We take a knife, okay? A knife, from the kitchen, a knife, okay? The K is silent, a knife, and we chop, we cut the parsley, the mint, the tomatoes, the cucumber, and the onions, okay? We cut, and we cut very small, okay? Very small, not big, We chop very, very small, okay? Then we put everything in a big bowl, okay? This is a bowl. This is a big bowl, okay? A big bowl. We put everything in a bowl and we mix, okay? We mix together. Mix together. So everything together, we mix together in a bowl. the onion, parsley, mint, bulgur wheat, tomatoes, and cucumber. We mix it all together. All together. And then we add, okay, we add some olive oil, the salt, and the lemon juice into the bowl, okay? The bowl with the onions, parsley, mint, bulgur wheat, tomato, and cucumber. We add olive oil, add salt, add lemon juice, and we mix together again. We mix together. We mix together everything. We mix together in the bowl. And then we serve. We serve, okay? We serve. We serve, okay? We finish cooking. We finish cooking. We serve. We put on a plate or a bowl. We serve, and we eat. Delicious. We serve the tabbouleh and we eat.